Oh boys, welcome back to Burn Lane YouTube channel, and today I got a cold air intake, so let's get straight into it. So anyway, in today's video we're going to be actually putting on a very, I guess, controversial add-on to a truck. Some people say it doesn't do anything, some people swear by it, and from what I've seen, they work. From what they say, they increase miles per gallon, a little bit of horsepower, just power in general, throws you back in your seat a little bit more, and apparently it's more healthy for your engine. But I'm going to give y'all my full honest review in this video, so let's get straight into it. As soon as I opened the box up, this is what came inside. Special thank you to maxpeedingrods for sending me this out. Super nice for them to do that, and they're a great company. But anyway, let's get into it. So I took off the first couple of things, and I'm opening up this white box, and it seems to be the filter. Dang, man, this thing is nice looking. Thing is massive. Second thing right here, some hoses to run it and connect to the throttle body, and then some hose clamps to connect it all together. So guys, first step, you're gonna want to go ahead and pop your hood, and then do not worry about this the whole video. I'm currently paint matching some stuff, so just don't even worry about this. You don't have to take anything out, so keep that in mind. So you're gonna want to pop your hood, throw it up. So guys, my air filter is right here, connected up to the engine. So we're gonna be taking this off right now. First and foremost, always disconnect your negative terminal, always. So you're gonna want to grab a wrench or whatever fits yours. Get it disconnected, guys. You don't want stuff messing up and check engine lights coming on and whatnot. So you're gonna want to go ahead and disconnect that. Next, you're gonna start loosening these hoses up. So you're gonna hit this hose, and then your hose actually connected to your engine. For me, these are all flathead screwdrivers, but oh well. Following my Instagram and TikTok will help me boost making these videos, and I really appreciate it. So I'll link that down in the description. I'm gonna go ahead and hit these, loosen them up, or as easy as this, straight up, just taking them off. You're gonna want to go ahead and loosen up your other one as well. Don't forget to hit this one as well. Okay guys, basically loosen it to a point where it's like this. So now you're gonna wanna disconnect your actual electrical unit. These tend to be brittle, so I'm gonna be careful taking this off. So I'm gonna actually tuck this back away, right? Just away. And I'm gonna start trying to disconnect this hose to this air box. So you're gonna, after loosening this, try and wanna pop it off. It's gonna be a little bit difficult. Still hooked on to the bottom. There it went. Got that straight off. So guys, after you disconnect that, your throttle body might get some stuff in it, and you're gonna want to clean it out with a rag. But do this last. You're gonna want to start trying to disconnect these. So I'm gonna start disconnecting this. It goes disconnected. Shoot, yeah. There we go. So now, all there is to it is to take this air box out, so let's do that. It's really just as simple as pulling up on it, because there's these little tabs down there, and that's the only thing that holds it in, so really simple, actually. Like I said, it's just little connectors at the bottom that pop right out of place, and then just like that. So guys, we're now fully disconnected, and it should be just the installation from here. So guys, you're actually gonna get down here with your 10 mil and remove this plate. So let's do this, and I'll catch up with you when I remove all these connecting bolts. So guys, I actually just pulled out the rest of those bolts, and just pull this plate out. You can chuck it on the ground. Don't need that anymore. So guys, I finally got it figured out. The format goes like this. The flatter plate I figured out goes next to your coolant reservoir, and then the cutout goes, to the pipe and the actual filter that goes here. So that's nice to know. So I'm about to bolt this up to the frame and then bolt these together, and let's see what we can do. So guys, this kit actually comes with everything you need. Extra clamps, all the bolts. It's really awesome. So let's pull out a couple of these bolts and nuts and let's get to putting this thing together. So guys, I actually just laid it on the side and I'm gonna go ahead and bolt it up out here. All the ones that I can do, so let's get to it. So guys, for the screw, you're actually just gonna have a Phillips head. And then for the nut that goes on the back, you're just gonna have an 8mm and you're gonna connect it up. So guys, I actually think they're just expecting you to reuse these, so that's exactly what I'm gonna do. So guys, I just reused the bolts that came from right here, and fits like a glove, so that's how it goes in. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and mount this up to my throttle body, the engine bay, and clean this out. So guys, I took this piece and it flips just like this, and then you go ahead and throw this bigger hose clamp onto the actual filter. So guys, you will actually need this electrical, I guess, sort of piece right here, so you're gonna want to take it off your box. I just pulled it off just like so, and then my kit actually came with this little red piece, which I'm gonna attach straight to this. So now that I've got it on, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a hose clamp. So now guys, I'm gonna actually connect my pipe to my throttle body. You're gonna wanna go ahead and grab your clamps and throw them on just as easy as that. So guys, just got it connected, but I wouldn't tighten it just yet because you wanna have some free play. So guys, now I actually have it hooked up. So now I'm gonna start tightening some clamps and put this thing together. So guys, just got done connecting those two together, and now I'm just connecting my old electrical unit so it can see the airflow to my new air filter, and basically you just pop it in, tightening this up, and about to throw it on. Oh my gosh, we just got everything suited down. Oh, she looks amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm in awe with this. Looks so freaking good. Yes. I'm gonna come over here, grab my existing wire, and plug it right back in, just as before. Clicked in. Come over here, plug my negative back in. Ooh, sparking up, ain't it? Okay, boys, just got everything back connected. Whew, I'm so happy to see this. Oh, I'm so happy. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah, you can hear the difference. Okay, boys, I'm gonna try and get a couple revs for y'all. Okay guys, it's like a few days later, and I've been testing this thing out and it's done pretty good. So we're gonna do like a little inside the truck test and show y'all kind of like what it sounds like and the differences. So yeah, got it all hooked up. Okay guys, so this is kind of from inside the cab. You can kind of hear it better. You can hear like the intake whine a little bit more. It kind of sounds like a Hellcat more. But I have noticed my miles per gallon gotten a little bit better. And then you can definitely feel the throttle, like it's more touchy. It's got better throttle control. So that's basically it for today's video. Make sure you hit that like and that subscribe button, and I'll see y'all later.